Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, from the Big Bad YouTube series, The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday Night Live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So, make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay, live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel.
As you talk about the tree, tell me something. You fixed the date yet?
Yeah man, King man, the 28th of this month are the set date.
Alright. Because at that me I wait for to get back to some of the other people them who are going to help with in the other communities.
Alright King man, but here one man, as me just said to you before, so I want this to be bigger and better than any other tree.
Yeah.
So what I look towards is with some of the schools in near the one round of our community now, we have like, we give 1 and 2 of the youths them 1 year full scholarship, whether for books, lunch money, whatever the needs, depending on the needs of their family needs. So we will go around and we will get the information from persons, parents, and we will know what their needs are. So if a lunch money them shorter, we find lunch. If a school fee them shorter, we find the school fee for a year. If a books them need, we find the books for a year.
Perfect. Because as a matter of fact, me so grounded in the community, I can point you to the most needed places, the family will need it the most. And we make a list from that and check it from there.
Man, that's why you're so important in this community. You see how important you are to us. So I have to involve in everything I do because you're the man from the ground. You know so something about that little girl there.
You know, true yata. For some reason, she don't look the same from the incident.
No, it take a toll on her now. Talk to her and my brother and tell her to take a break and just recuperate. But you don't know, she insists on working and I don't like how she look.
Honestly, me concerned. You understand? But me, I wonder if we need to insist she take a break or we need to consider it as one of them cases where people function, cope best if them work through the situation. You see me?
King man, tell you the truth. She seems a little bit distracted these days. I'm going to help her now. But there's more to it than the distraction. I observe some little things are going with her. I talk to her about it. But I just have to watch and see what really are going with her. But maybe tell you more what going on that. Yeah, you have a reason more.
Please. Hi, Miss Rosette. How are you? I'm okay. I'm doing much more better now.
Awesome. You know Mr. Savage, right?
Yeah. Sir, I would like to tell you thanks.
Yeah man, no problem. But you know there's something I want. It's no problem at all.
Okay. I'm still working, so see you guys.
Me never tell you, I don't want no bad cop, good cop, nothing.
I never that me there, pan.
What you mean?
But you know, sister, she look like she did ready
She
to say
never
something.
did that was say nothing.
You wouldn't know because I used to stop me from.
What you mean, Mr.
Hold on,
You're too-
Xpressionz.
you're
It's a savage.
Hi, King.
Yeah. Let me tell you something.
No.
Come. This is the lady I want you for me.
You know that? No, but me I try to tell you.
No.
Allow me. That's why I like work alone. Me,
Not mind me.
Good night, King. How are you?
Well, I'm good enough.
Good, awesome.
So where you doing it?
Well, go on, man.
Yeah, I know.
You don't know.
Mr. Savage.
How you do?
Good night.